Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Kit plus T. Kit T. Lift plus tier. Lift tier. Kitty litter. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. Young man on my left is our returning champion. He has yet to lose a game. He's played 2 games, and in those 2 games, he has won prizes totaling $12,725. This is Mark Hartwig. Welcome back. Future doctor. Hasn't picked his specialty yet. Thinks it might be in emergency medicine, but we don't know, right?
Right.
Okay, and as we discovered on our last program, there is no special lady in your life right now. So all talk of marriage...
No.
There's a
special lady. There's a special lady in my life right now.
Ah.
I'll just hold it right there, Alex. Right there.
Okay, you don't want to name her, of course.
I'll tell you her name's Holly.
Holly?
Holly.
All right, well, that's good. So you're putting yourself on the line now.
Or, right there. That's where we stop it, right there.
Okay, we'll stop it right there, and we'll introduce your opponent. This lovely lady is Meredith Christensen. Hello, Meredith Christensen.
Hello.
Where are you from?
My name is Meredith Christensen. I'm from Omaha, Nebraska.
Omaha. All righty.
I'm
Living
an attorney.
there?
Yes.
So you're here visiting?
I'm here just
You
for
want
the
to take
show.
away some Southern California money?
Yes, today's my 4-year anniversary, and I would love to win a trip for my husband and I to have an additional honeymoon.
Okay, well, let's get into the game. Here's one of the prizes you're competing for in this game.
It's time to pamper yourself, so head for a sensational getaway at the warm and friendly beach life of Iztapa, Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Iztapa, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Dorado Pacifico Hotel, a tropical paradise with spectacular ocean view rooms, memorable dining, and pool and ocean swimming in glorious sunshine, furnished by the Dorado Pacifico Hotel.
Well, there's your 4th anniversary vacation, Meredith, and you can find it on the board behind number 5. And because you're the newcomer and the challenger, you get to select first. 2 numbers, please.
Okay, let's look for that Iztapa trip or a wild card under number 14.
Electronic keyboard.
Okay, and a match for the electronic keyboard under number 25.
No, a bed with nightstands. Mark.
Alex, I want to go to Iztapa. Let's try for Iztapa under number 1.
Electronic keyboard.
Oh, yes. That electronic keyboard. Is that under number 15?
No.
Oh.
Meredith might be able to make that match.
Let's look at that electronic keyboard under number 14 and number 1.
14 and 1 is the combination that works, not 15 and 1. Open it up, please. 2 doors for Meredith. Try it again.
Okay, let's continue looking for that Iztapa trip under number 12.
Green tape.
Okay, green tape. Need that for insurance for that Iztapa trip. And let's look for a match or wild card under number 3.
Dartboard set. That's not too exciting, I guess, unless you're competitive, and Mark's competitive.
I'm competitive, and I guess I could always use a set of darts. So let's try for that dart set under number 21.
Dartboard set.
Number 3.
Number 3, just like that, he makes the match, gets the dartboard set. Fun and games for Mark as he relaxes. Open these 2 panels for him. Go again.
Let's try something we haven't seen down on the bottom under number 23.
10 shares of Chrysler stock.
Wow. Okay. I think that stock is under number 19.
Telephone and answering machine unit, no match, no stock. Meredith?
Okay, I'm still searching for a wild card or Iztapa. Let's go to number 2.
Telephone and answering machine.
Okay, number 19.
Doesn't matter what you look for, you wind up making matches for prizes, and that's good. Staying alive. Open the 2 panels for her. Go again.
Okay, let's continue looking for Iztapa under number 20.
There it is.
Number 5.
Yes. There it is. A match for the lady, a chance to go to Mexico, and a chance to study the puzzle again with 2 panels swinging open. feel it's still too early. Go again.
Okay, let's continue with opening up the board under number 16.
Washer and dryer.
Okay, let's look for a match or wild card in the middle of the board under number 13.
10 shares of Chrysler stock. No match. Mark.
Okay, let's try for that stock underneath number 22.
Red take.
That's what I meant. The red take. The red take, let's try for the match of that underneath number 25.
Bed with nightstands. Meredith.
Okay, number 23. And a match for that stock under number 13.
13 and 23. Yes, 10 shares of Chrysler stock in both positions. 2 more doors opening up for Meredith Christensen. Go again.
Still need to see under number 17.
Wild card.
Okay, what do I need to see? Let's open up number 10.
10 is the red take, and we saw that a few moments ago on the left side of the board at number 22. Here's the take. He's got that...
No, I'm going to save this for insurance for Ixtapa.
The dartboard.
Dartboard set.
I know, but...
I know, but... All right. Let's open these 3 panels. Meredith, you said you're from Omaha, Nebraska?
Yes, I am.
Is that where you were born and bred?
No, I'm from Texas.
Thank you. I knew that accent was not Omaha, Nebraska. Select again.
Okay, let's continue opening up the board under number 7.
Bed with nightstands.
And a match for that bed and nightstand under number 25.
You are right. Again. Still no interest in using the tape. No. Open it up. Go again.
Okay, let's continue opening up the board under number 4.
Wild card again.
Okay, and let's open up the board at number 16.
Washer and dryer. The other washer and dryer at number 8. Still no interest in using the tape because we're getting towards the end of this game.
Well, the green take's still out there, and I got to protect Ixtapa.
All right. Prize goes up there, and we've got 3 doors opening for you. Select again.
Okay, let's continue opening up the board with number 12.
Still a wild card up there, by the way. There's the green take.
Oh.
Hurry.
11.
11. Complete power tools set. No match.
I love those power tools. Let's
Mark.
try number 6, Alex.
Diamond earrings.
And number 15.
Diamond earrings. A match for Mark. Diamond earrings go well with the dartboard set. Open the panels for him. Select again.
Let's try number 18, Alex.
Complete power tool set.
And number 11.
That's a match that works for you. That prize goes up, and we will now show you 9, 12, and 24. We have a wild card there and the green take, and you have to decide what you want to do with the take.
I want Ixtapa.
Simple decision, easy to make. Open the doors and see if he can win it now.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club, he says, and he doesn't need any welcoming. He is in the club all by himself. 3 straight wins from Mark Hardwick. Go to the board again.
Okay, here's Jack and Jill going up to where? The well. The rooster and the comb, welcome. Tooth, brushing itself. The tooth, the club. Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club. Well done. Well, Meredith, you've just had your first defeat at the hands of Mark here. He's tough, as you've discovered, but you'll get to play him again in the next one, so we'll see you in that one.
Okay.
All right, Mark. More prizes coming this man's way. Let's hear about them now. Gene.
A complete power tool set, a dartboard set, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a dartboard set or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and diamond earrings. The Michael C. Fina Company presents these brilliant diamond stud earrings, part of their fine jewelry collection. A half-carat in a lustrous 14-karat gold setting, furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company. And, of course, beautiful Iztapa, Mexico. And, Mark, you have a prize package totaling $3,289.
Big win again for Mark, and another chance to play for a brand new car right after this. Something, Mark, you could wind up winning a brand new car and leaving our show without ever having lost a game in a regular match.
I can't believe it, Alex.
Well, it could happen, but if it doesn't, you'll get to play again. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and you're up to 45 seconds on the clock. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
Nope.
8, 10.
Right.
13, 5.
Yep.
14, 7.
Yep.
15, 12.
No.
4, 3.
No.
6, 15.
Yes.
9, 2.
Yes.
1, 12.
Yes.
3, 11.
Yes. Congratulations. You did it. Brilliantly done. Gene, tell them about the car. No losses for this man.
Mark, you've just won this Geo Metro 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder fuel-injected engine, automatic transmission and air conditioning, furnished by Chevrolet, a prize worth over $8,800.
Let's see, you're going to the Bahamas, you're going to Mexico, and you're going to Las Vegas. You're going to be spending a lot of time in the sun and enjoying $24,850 in total prizes here on Concentration. You are a super champ. We'll say goodbye right now. We'll come back and introduce a new player after this break. Meredith thought Mark would never leave. Well, he's gone. Is that going to mean an easier time for you in game number 2?
Well, I think Peter's here.
Yeah, we'll find out soon enough because you're facing this young man, Peter Menges. Hello, Peter.
How you
Did I
doing?
pronounce your last name correctly?
Menges.
Menges.
Close.
Close? Where are you from? She's from Texas, now living in Omaha, Nebraska.
I'm from Newton, Massachusetts, right outside of Boston, and I'm a junior marketing major at UMass Amherst, and I'm currently living here in San Bernardino on an exchange program. Like going to Cal State for a while.
Going to Cal State for what? You like it down here?
I like the weather, yeah. I could use a little more snow. I'd like to do a little skiing out here.
Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. In Massachusetts,
sun's
you're so
out,
close
though.
to Vermont and all of the great ski areas up there.
Yeah. It's
All right.
freezing there, though. It's nice and warm here.
You bet it is. All right, you ready to play?
I'm ready.
Take a look. Here's a fun prize.
Hatteras Hammocks Relaxing Quartet includes 2 deluxe and 2 swing hammocks, hand-woven in cotton or polyester. Comes complete with stands and pillows, furnished by Hatteras Hammocks. Alex.
And the hammocks on the board behind this number 2. Hammocks for 2. $500 in the cash spot. The 5 bonus car seconds in this game. $600 in the cash spot. I stand corrected. And we have a holiday on a New York dude ranch. That's close to your part of the world.
Good drive, yeah.
All right, Peter, you start us off.
All right, we're going to kick it off with number 9.
Number 9.
All right.
Gold diamond pin.
I could use that, I guess. Why don't we check the corner on the number 21?
21 is a New York dude ranch vacation. No match for
Okay,
you,
let's
Meredith.
look for that New York D Ranch vacation under number 18.
Wild card.
Number 21.
21 for the ranch. Yes. The other vacation on the board, and the other corner, number 25. So 3 boxes in the lower part of this puzzle, opening up for Meredith Christensen. Pick again, Meredith.
Okay, let's look for those hammocks under number 9.
Gold and diamond pin. Now, that's not
And
bad.
let's look for a match under number 20.
Chocolate lover's dream. No match.
Chocolate
Peter.
Lover's Dream. All right. Let's take a look behind number 24, Alex.
Gold and diamond pin.
And let's go number 9. What a match.
You are right. Match for you, and 2 doors opening up. Tough at this stage, I know.
Yeah.
Select
I'll get
again.
it. All right, let's check one more corner under number 1.
5 bonus car seconds.
Ooh, I could use that. Let's go for the match under number 7.
Cash spot. No match. Meredith.
I want that cash. Let's look for the cash under number 4.
Electric range.
And a match for the electric range under number 12.
Color TV. No
Color
match.
TV. I could use a color TV. Let's look under number 19.
Chocolate Lover's Dream.
Oof, I think we saw that. How about number 14?
Nope. Home security system. Meredith, back to you.
I love chocolate. Let's look under number 20
I thought you were going to say I love home security systems.
and number 19.
Chocolate Lover's Dream is a match for you. Well done. Swing them open. Do it for her. Go again.
Let's open up the board under number 17.
5 bonus
And a match for
card.
those bonus car seconds under number 1.
Yes. Bonus car seconds for Meredith Christensen and some prizes up there at the Dude Ranch Vacation and the chocolates, all hinging on her solving this puzzle. Can she do it now? Pick again.
Okay, let's open up the board under number 11. And match for that cash pot under number 2.
All right.
The hammocks for 2 were there. Peter?
Let's look under number 7.
7 for cash.
And 11 for the cash.
7-11. If you were in Vegas, that would pay off big.
No doubt.
You got a shot at $600 here. Peter, open it up.
Good.
Pick again.
All right. Let's look in the middle under number 13.
Electric
Electric
range.
range. Oof, we saw that before. Is that under number 14 right next door?
No, that's the home security system. Meredith might be able to make a match on the range. Let's see.
Let's look under number 10.
No, but there's a wild card.
Okay, let me see what's under number 3.
3, hammocks for 2. And right next to it, of course, at number 2, the other hammocks. So 3 panels in the upper part of the puzzle now opening up for Meredith.
Is it Let's Clear the Air?
Meredith, I think you have won yourself a game and a holiday in New York. Let's clear the air, she says. Yes, and she is right. So on to the board, Meredith. Nicely done. You're a veteran now. That's why you performed so well. Explain it.
Well, I saw the L here and the 2 hits. That's why I needed to open that 2 and 3. So the L plus the hits is Let's. The KL plus the ear of corn is clear. The V and then the air coming out of the pump. Let's clear the air.
All righty. They have corn in Nebraska?
They have corn in Nebraska. Cornhuskers State.
Yes, they do, don't they? Peter Menges, that's just your first loss, so we'll put 1 X in front of you, and when we bring you back to play again against Meredith, it'll be an important game for both of you, the tiebreaker. We'll see you in that one. Right now, Meredith, let's hear about your prizes for this win. Gene.
A chocolate lover's dream. Tyrone will surprise you throughout the year with a dream gift of chocolate-covered popcorn, chocolate pizza, and mousse truffle chocolates. Gifts for the most discerning connoisseur, furnished by Tyrone Chocolatier and a New York Dude Ranch. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Roseland Ranch in Stanfordville, New York, for casual ranch resort activities. You may swim in their indoor pool, explore the ranch on horseback, hike or snowmobile, year-round fun, furnished by Roseland Ranch, and, of course, the relaxing hammocks for 2 and the 5 bonus car seconds. And these prizes are worth $3,515.
I guess you are glad that Mark left a little while ago. Enable you to win a game and get a shot at a brand new car when we come back. This pretty lady from Texas who now makes her home in Nebraska won the game and has a chance to win a brand new car as well. So let's go for it. 15 numbered squares. Base time, of course, this is her first time in the winner's circle. It's 35 seconds, but she picked up the 5 bonus seconds, and that means you're operating with 40, Meredith. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
Nope.
7, 8.
Nope.
9, 4.
Nope.
10, 11,
Nope.
11, 6,
Yep.
12, 5,
Nope.
5, 9,
Yep.
10, 7,
Nope.
8, 2,
No.
2, 10,
210 is right.
12, 8,
No.
15, 7.
No.
14.
First time up is tough. But you got that Dude Ranch vacation, $3,515 in prizes, and you're going to play again in a very important game. We're going to take a break after this word from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Academy Broadway products designed for carefree outdoor fun. Featuring this machine-washable, water-repellent nylon sleeping bag and heavy-duty nylon travel pack furnished by Academy Broadway. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
That when she gets tired, her Texas accent comes out a little stronger. She's going to get some rest tonight because she wants to come back and play well in the tiebreaker game. Up first tomorrow. See you then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.